Hi, Yefo. Welcome back. Welcome back to your social studies lesson. I do hope you had a great Eid break. I did hope everyone rested and everyone's just ready to restart and learn again, get that information. All right, what's today's lesson about? Today's lesson is going to be on the wonders of the world, which is a very exciting topic. So please sit back and just follow the PowerPoint presentation. Once you actually watch this video, you don't really need to go through that PowerPoint again. All right, wonders of the world. What are our lesson objectives for today? Today, you will be able to tell me the names and locations of the new wonders of the world. What is the success criteria? How will you know you've been successful? You will be able to use either Atlas or internet to locate the wonders of the world, or you will be able to create a map showing the new wonders of the world. So this is how you know, or how you will know that you reach the objective if you can do these two things at the end of your lesson. All right, first thing to think about, okay? Let's think about what does it mean if something is a wonder? What do you think a wonder of the world describes? And can you name or describe any wonders of the world? So first of all, let's focus on the word wonder. Use your linking brain and linking abilities and try to find that connection. Like, when did we learn about wonders? When did I read this word and what did it mean? And try to also think about, so if you think about this word, basically, I do hope that you thought about something like amazing or amazement, admiring or admirable. Wonder indeed is something that is worth admiring. It's something maybe beautiful, amazing. When you see it, it will spark um, the feelings of admiration in you, like, wow, what is this, you know? So now, using your critical thinking, what do you think, if you know what is a wonder, what would be the wonder of the world? What would that be? Take 1 minute to think about that. So, if a wonder is something amazing, then wonder must be something in this world that is admired by many people, okay? And can you name or describe any wonders of the world? So again, this is connection finding, linking. Can you think of a time in the past when we talked about this topic, wonders of the world? I think you should think about your ICT lesson last week. You were creating a PowerPoint presentation about 7 wonders of the world, so maybe that will ring the bell a little bit. Okay, so I do hope that by now you do have like an idea what is a wonder and what a wonder of the world is. All right. So first of all, in the past, we had the 7 wonders of the ancient world. We have the word ancient here. What does that mean? There were 7 wonders of the world in the past, okay, a long time ago. So these 7 wonders of the ancient world refers to a list of extraordinary monuments noted by Greek travelers around the 4th century before the Common Era. At this time, the Greeks conquered or dominated much of the known world, and the travelers recorded the remarkable sights they witnessed during their travels. So, along thousands of years ago, when Greeks dominated the world, they also traveled a lot and they've seen things that they called wonders, and they agreed that there are 7 wonders of the world. Unfortunately, these wonders of the ancient world do not exist anymore apart from one, which is the pyramids of Giza. I'm just going to fast forward. Yeah, there we go. The picture is not showing for some reason. Oh, there we go. So the Great Pyramid of Giza is the only one of the original or ancient wonders of the ancient world, and it still stands. All the others have been destroyed. All right, so what would be the new wonders or new 7 wonders of the world? So, in 2001, Canadian-Swiss filmmaker Bernard Weber organized a poll to choose the new 7 wonders of the world from a selection of 200 existing monuments. More than 100 million votes were registered to select the new 7 wonders of the world. All right. So in 2001, people voted, many millions of people voted on what do they think should be the new 7 wonders of the world. And after this poll, they decided on the new 7 wonders of the world. Okay. Right. So here they are. Guys, if you want to, you can open the PowerPoint presentation and look at this part exactly. You can actually click into each picture. It will be enlarged and it will show you more information on each wonder of the world. Okay, so here we have the first one. You may be familiar already. This is a statue of Christ the Redeemer in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, which is in the Americas we've been learning about. It's a massive statue. It's the biggest statue, one of the biggest statues in the world. Then we have the Colosseum in Rome, Italy. Then we have Chichen Itza in Mexico. This is in North America. And it was built by the Mayan civilization. This is a very important piece of information. Okay, this is one of the Asian civilizations. They were called the Mayans, and they built this kind of pyramid-shaped building. Then we have the Great Pyramids of Giza in Egypt. This is the only wonder of the world that used to be also a part of the Asian 7 wonders of the world, and is like at the same time part of the 7 new wonders of the world. It has a special status. Then we have the Taj Mahal in Agra, India. Very beautiful. I've been to the pyramids as well. I've been to Machu Picchu in Peru, which is in South America, as you know. Then we have the Great Wall of China in Beijing, China. This wall took around 2,000 years to build, so that's pretty amazing. It's a massive wall. And the last new 7 wonder of the world, the last one of the 7 wonders of the world is Petra in Jordan. Okay, it's a kind of a building carved inside a massive rock. Right, so these are the 7 wonders of the world. So we have Brazil, Italy, Mexico, Egypt, India, Peru, China, and Jordan. All right, now what is going to be your task? Okay, you will be given a map, which is a blank map. Okay, now on the previous slide you had the new 7 wonders. You saw the new 7 wonders of the world. You will need to find each one of these 7 wonders of the world on a map and then write it into your blank map. Okay, so let's say I'm going to go back. I'm going to see the first one. This is Christ the Redeemer in Brazil, Rio de Janeiro. So I'm going to see on the map, okay, where exactly is Rio de Janeiro. Then I'm going to find it on my map, which should be somewhere around here, okay? And I am going to make a little sign and write Christ the Redeemer, Rio de Janeiro. Okay, you will have to find all 7 of them, write it into your map, and then upload it on ClassDojo. Okay, in this task, I'd like you to do a bit of strategy planning. Okay, you will think about questions such as, what exactly do I need to do? How am I going to do it? And what resources will I use to do that? Okay, you are the ones to think about that and choose your resources and an appropriate way of doing it. And then we'll be doing a bit of connection finding. You will think about, did I do something like this before? If yes, how did I do it? How can I use the things that I learned about maps in general complete this task? Okay, that's a bit of connection finding for you. All right, guys, once you are done, there's actually a really nice quiz on Nearpod. So all you have to do is click on this link, fit in the code, and complete the test or quiz. Please, this is not going to be marked or graded in any way. It's just check in how much you remember from the lesson. That's all, okay? You can do it alone. It's easy. You just have to basically focus on the locations of the new seven wonders of the world. All right, and that's it. At the end of the lesson, it's always good to reflect on your learning. Okay, so if you can, print this out, stick it in your notebook, read through it, and use the traffic lights color code as you already are familiar with. All right, and that's it. I hope you enjoy this lesson, and I hope you're looking forward to the next lesson, which is going to be pretty exciting. All right, thank you.